I turned vegetarian 48 years ago, when I was just a young teenager. I have never deviated from that self-chosen lifestyle, though my youngest son, Kelly, convinced me that I needed to up my game and turn vegan, which I did by following his example. Being a vegetarian for so long, I have noticed a variety of reactions to my eating habits, ranging from, "Don't you crave meat?" to "That's weird," to "I wanted to try that too," to "Why don't you eat eggs?" and so on. But these days, the vegan option has gone more or less mainstream, and the variety of choices is growing almost exponentially each year. Yet, meat eating isn't disappearing anytime soon, particularly in certain countries around the world.